Hello everyone, my name is Del Rodrigan, and so in this video I'm going to explain my own SQL query that is going to be used to join multiple tables in the bflix database, and it is used to generate a clear summary of which movie each customer have watched, including their dates also in a single row per customer. Okay, so let's take a look at my syntax. The query applies concept from relational algebra and also aggregation. First of all, the select there is I use string concatenation here, which is combining the first name and also the last name. So if we are thinking of it in the mathematical way, it's like building a function of x and y. Let's say the x is the first name and also the y is the last name. So actually the function of it is going to be like this. Yeah. Okay, so in here we are using an aggregate function, list tag, which is like summing numbers, but instead of summing numbers, we're conjugating movie titles and their dates into one string. Okay, so let's think of it like this. Let's say I put C as a customer, and then each customer, of course, have watched a movie, right? In this case, so they will always have the watch history, right? Let's think of it as a W, and this W will always belong to a customer, right? So the W and then the parameter is C is like the set of movie, which includes the movie and the date in pairs that the customer have watched. Okay, from the W with the parameter C, we could create a function with the parameter of movie and also the date, where it will output the movie name, and inside of the bars there are going to be a formatted date. After all of that, we could make it into a list of the list with customer as the parameter inside of it, where it is the aggregation of all the functions. So the functions of M and also D as the uh, parameters in it for all items that is in the watch history, which is going to be W with the parameter of C. If we translate it to NSQL, it's going to be just like in my code, the list tag F with the function with the parameter of the month and also the date within the group, and it is going to be ordered by some parameter, which in this case it is ordered by the watch date, and it is going to be named with movies watch with date as the alias subquery. Okay, now after that we are using a Cartesian product in here, which is a join between two tables. Then I use a selection to keep only the matching records. So as you guys can see, I was taking the data from the customers table, which I labeled C, but I need the date of the movie that is watched and also the title of it. So in this case, I have created a join into watch history and also the movie. Okay, in the last line, the group by. In the group by, I am splitting the data into disjoint sets, only per customer. Then I apply aggregation within each group. There are actually some example outputs and also practical value, which I'm going to show in the screen. And by the way, thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video if there's an available one. See you.